If you clicked on this video, you probably already know who Alex Hormozi is, but in case you don't, a few years ago, he saw Gym launch for $46 million exit, and today he runs acquisition.com, which is $200 million portfolio company. Most people know him for his $100 million offers and sales strategies, but what most people don't talk about is how deep his expertise and knowledge is on acquiring new customers. Behind the scenes, Alex has one of the most dialed-in systems for replying to new customers with a 4x response rate. My name is Peter, and I have studied what business people do for 15 years. To say that I have spent countless hours watching their content is an understatement. Obsession is the right word. I have helped other business owners through my advisory service to move faster in their business. In this video, we will find out exactly why Alex Hormozi is using an auto-response email for replying to customers, so you can apply the same to your business. An auto-response email is a blessing because you can increase the number of customers 4 times when you reply within 1 minute. I personally lost some customers when I replied after 8 or 12 hours when I was out of the office. They told me, "I'm sorry, I found somebody else." In the first auto-response email, I send general information about the service. The customers will know that you are still doing the service and that they don't need to look for another provider. If there is more detailed information needed that you actually need to think about, you can do it later. For example, setting the appointment, replying to specific question, etc. In the auto-response email, you can include VSL, meaning video explaining your service and who you are, all the information needed regarding your service so they know what to expect. Google Calendar auto appointment scheduler link so customers can choose the time of their appointment even without you. Feedback from previous customers, for example, 10 short messages will be enough. I would rather send more emails, for example 3 different ones, because when you send one long email, customers will generally not see the end of the email, and after that, they will be asking you questions that you have sent. Throughout this video, we looked at how to use auto-response email for new customers, and we broke down how he does it. But just knowing what to do is not enough if you don't have the system to actually find, onboard, and service customers successfully. That's why if you are a business owner and you are looking to progress in your business, I can help. I run a business advisory service where I improve all processes in a business, from advertising, price list correction, online and offline business presentation, fixing sales process and churn, without you wasting years of learning it yourself. I helped other business owners to improve their businesses, and I can help you do the same. If that sounds like what you need, book a free call. You can find the link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.